Forget ordinary pocket tools. These are the smartest EDC gadgets of 2026. Some can protect you. Others can save hours every day. And the number one gadget is unlike anything you've ever seen. Number 12. Streamlight Nanoite 2. Big flashlights are useful until you forget to carry one. The Streamlight Nanoite 2 solves that problem. It lives on your keychain, so it's always with you. Although the size is just 2.2 inches long, it provides 20 lumens of strong, white light, just enough to open doors, find dropped keys, check under your car seat, or navigate a dark hallway. Power comes from a single Quad-A battery, easy to replace, no special chargers required. Its machined aluminum body feels solid, not cheap, and the IPX7 waterproof rating means it survives heavy rain or even accidental drops into water. At barely any weight, you'll forget it's there, until you actually need it. Number 11. Sharpel 101N. Sharp knife is better than dull one. The Sharpel 101N ensures that you will never get stuck with a dull blade. This compact tool features 6 survival modes in a single format to fit your pocket. The tungsten carbide slots quickly refresh worn edges. They are sharpened to a razor edge with ceramic rods. Need to sharpen those serrated knives, fish hooks, or gut hooks? The integrated diamond rod handles them all, but sharpening is only half the story. There's also a built-in ferro rod for starting fires, plus a loud emergency whistle for attracting attention when things go wrong. Camping, fishing, hunting, or emergency kits. The Sharpel earns its place almost anywhere. Number 10. Levergear Toolcard Pro. Imagine fitting an entire toolbox inside your wallet. That's exactly what the Levergear Toolcard Pro does. It's the size of a credit card, only 1.5 millimeters thick, and weighs just 1 ounce, yet it packs an incredible 40 functions. You'll find screwdrivers, hex wrenches, rulers, bottle openers, cord cutters, pry tools, and much more. Made from heat-treated 420 stainless steel, it's built for years of everyday use. Rounded edges protect your wallet. Laser-etched markings stay readable over time. There's even an optional money clip that holds cash and cards. Best of all, it's TSA compliant, meaning it can travel with you almost anywhere. Number 9. Kaiser Camcene Clutch Lock Folding Knife. Some knives focus only on looks, others focus only on performance. The Kaiser Camcene delivers both. Its 3.09-inch Nitro V steel blade offers impressive edge retention, excellent corrosion resistance, and reliable cutting performance for everyday tasks. The gray stone-washed finish hides scratches beautifully. The aerospace-grade aluminum handle feels incredibly secure, even with wet hands. Kaiser's clutch lock mechanism creates smooth one-handed opening and closing. And the adjustable spring tension lets you fine-tune the action exactly how you like it. Number 8. Wuben E7 Rechargeable Headlamp. Holding a flashlight works. 0 until both hands are busy. That's where the Wuben E7 shines. Literally. This compact headlamp pumps out an astonishing 1,800 lumens. Enough to light trails, work sites, garages, or campsites. Its 160-degree flood beam fills your entire field of view, while the focused beam reaches up to 132 meters. At only 80 grams, it's comfortable enough for long hikes or night runs. The included extension tube supports both 18350 and larger 18,650 batteries, so you can choose between lightweight portability or longer runtime. Finished with an IP68 waterproof rating, it's built to handle rain, mud, dust, and tough outdoor adventures. Number 7. MetMo Pocket Grip 5-in-1 Multi-Tool. Small tool, serious grip. The MetMo Pocket Grip takes inspiration from classic locking pliers, then shrinks the idea into a pocket-friendly multi-tool. It works as locking pliers, a clamp, a screwdriver, a file, and a cutting tool, all in one compact package. The quick lock mechanism grabs objects securely in seconds. Aggressive serrated jaws bite into bolts, pipes, wire, or stubborn hardware. Precision machined metal construction gives it a premium feel. Every movement feels smooth, solid, and satisfying, whether you're tightening loose hardware, making quick repairs, or tackling unexpected problems on the go. The Pocket Grip proves that some of the smartest tools come in the smallest packages. Number 6. COMANDI-EDC NaviCore Compass. GPS is incredible, until the battery dies. That's when the COMANDI-EDC NaviCore Compass proves its worth. Machined from aerospace-grade Grade 5 titanium, this compact survival tool is built for serious outdoor adventures. Its liquid-filled precision compass features a smooth 360-degree scale for accurate navigation wherever you roam. Need more than directions? A built-in 3x magnifier helps read maps or focus sunlight to start a fire in emergencies. There's also a bubble level, a mini pry bar, and a quick-detach carabiner for easy carry. Tritium-ready slots improve low-light visibility. At just 44.9 grams, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly durable. A smart backup no explorer should leave behind. Number 5. Condor Blue EDC Multitool V2. Not every multitool is built for creators. This one is. The Condor Blue EDC Multitool V2 is designed with photographers, videographers, and filmmakers in mind. It accepts standard quarter-inch driver bits and stores up to 8 of them inside its compact body. The updated version features spring-loaded quick-access slots, a smoother magnetic swivel door, and a redesigned thumb groove for faster bit changes. Need extra flexibility? The magnetic face holds spare bits while you work. Multiple driver positions make tightening awkward screws much easier. Pocket-friendly and TSA compliant. Whether you're adjusting a tripod, building a camera rig. Number 4. Oite Sphere C. Who says EDC is only about survival? It is sometimes about making the right space. The Olight Sphere C is a portable and smart ambient light that can transform almost any space into something extraordinary. It provides illumination from all directions, which results in soft and even lighting from all angles. Select from over 20 built-in lighting effects. Switch from a relaxing night light to colorful party lighting or a warm camping lantern in seconds. Rechargeable, portable, and easy to control. Use the onboard controls for customized colors, brightness, and effects through the companion app. Whether it's your desk, your tent, or your backyard, the Sphere C brings a little extra personality wherever it goes. Number 3. Rolling Square AirCard. Losing your wallet is stressful. Replacing everything inside is even worse. That's where the Rolling Square AirCard comes in. It is only 2.2 millimeters thick, so it fits into any wallet without taking up too much space. Combine with Apple Find My, and you'll be able to find your wallet through Apple's global network of devices. However, tracking is not all the story. Inbuilt RFID blocking technology prevents unauthorized scanning of contactless cards. It even has a handy digital business card to share your contact details with one click. The sealed battery lasts up to 2.5 years. No charging, no cables, just dependable everyday protection. Slim, smart, and always ready when you need it most. Number 2. Rabbit R1 AI Assistant. Smartphones can do almost anything, but the Rabbit R1 is built to make those tasks feel effortless. Instead of tapping through endless apps, you simply talk to it. Ask questions, translate conversations, record voice notes, summarize meetings, or manage everyday tasks with natural voice commands. Its standout feature is the Desktop Language Action Model, or DLAM. It can interact with compatible websites and applications on your behalf with simple prompts. Co-developed with Teenage Engineering, it's stylishly retro with easy controls, compact, smart, then constantly evolving with software upgrades. The Rabbit R1 offers a fresh look at the future of AI-powered everyday carry. Number 1. Flipper Zero. And finally, the gadget that has become an icon among tech enthusiasts. The Flipper Zero, small enough to fit in your pocket, powerful enough to unlock endless possibilities. It supports RFID, NFC, infrared, Bluetooth, sub-GHz wireless, and iButton technology, making it an incredibly versatile tool for hardware exploration, automation, and ethical security research. Cybersecurity professionals use it to test wireless systems. Makers use it to build creative projects. It's a pocket-sized lab for curious minds, and that's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot.